Hi guys, hallo Leute, welcome back to German with Jenny. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tell time in German. You have to know the numbers 1 through 59 in order to be able to tell time in German. I taught you the numbers starting from 21 in this video right here. Now let's get started. Let's start with something really simple. So if you want to say it's 8 o'clock, let's say 8 o'clock in the morning, you would say, es ist 8 Uhr. Es ist 8 Uhr. Es ist 9 Uhr. It's 9 o'clock. Es ist 10 Uhr. Es ist 11 Uhr. Es ist 12 Uhr. Now you need to know that in Germany we use the 24-hour clock. So 1 p.m. would be 13 Uhr. Es ist 13 Uhr. 2 p.m. would be 14 Uhr. Es ist 14 Uhr. 3 p.m. would be 15 Uhr. Es ist 15 Uhr. 3 plus 12 equals 15. So 3 p.m. is 15 Uhr. 2 plus 12 is 14. So 2 p.m. is 14 Uhr. 1 plus 12 is 13. So 1 p.m. is 13 Uhr. So you always have to add the number 12 to get to the military time. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, etc. 4 p.m. would be 16 Uhr. Es ist 16 Uhr. Es ist 17 Uhr. Es ist 18 Uhr. Es ist 19 Uhr. Es ist 20 Uhr. Es ist 21 Uhr. Es ist 22 Uhr. Es ist 23 Uhr. Es ist 0 Uhr. Or you can also say, es ist Mitternacht. In colloquial German, if you want to tell your friend, you can come over at 2 p.m. It's very common to say, du kannst 2 Uhr vorbeikommen. Because that person will know that I'm not talking about 2 a.m. at night, but I'm talking about 2 p.m. So in that case, you don't have to say 14 Uhr. Du kannst 2 Uhr vorbeikommen. Even though in colloquial German we don't necessarily use the 24-hour clock all the time, it's still important to know the 24-hour clock because in written communication it's used all the time. When you receive an invitation, the 24-hour clock will be used. The 24-hour clock is used on the radio. It's used in emails. It's used in business communication. And it's also used when you want to avoid confusion. So we're not meeting at 8 a.m., we're meeting at 8 p.m. Wir treffen uns nicht 8 Uhr, wir treffen uns 20 Uhr. 8:30 in German would be halb neun. And it doesn't matter if it's 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m. It's always halb neun, half 9. So it means halfway to 9 a.m. or to 9 p.m. Halb neun. 9:30 a.m. or 9:30 p.m. would be halb 10. 10:30 a.m. or 10:30 p.m. would be halb 11. 11:30 would be halb 12. 12:30 would be halb 1. 1:30 would be halb 2. 2:30 would be halb 3. 3:30 would be halb 4. 4:30 would be halb 5. 5:30 would be halb 6. 6:30 would be halb 7, and so on. And this is used a lot in colloquial German. So if you're meeting a friend at 2:30 p.m., you would say, wir treffen uns halb 3. If you want to say 5:45, 6:45, 7:45, etc., you have to use the word Viertel. 5:45 would be Viertel vor 6, a quarter to 6. 6:45 would be Viertel vor 7. 7:45 would be Viertel vor 8. 8:45 would be Viertel vor 9. 9:45 would be Viertel vor 10. 10:45 would be Viertel vor 11, etc. Also very common in colloquial speech. If you want to say 1:15, 2:15, 3:15, etc., you have to use Viertel nach, a quarter after. 1:15 would be Viertel nach 1. 2:15 would be Viertel nach 2. 3:15 would be Viertel nach 3. 4:15 would be Viertel nach 4. 5:15 is Viertel nach 5, etc. If you want to say 2:10, it's 2:10. You would say es ist 10 nach 2. It is 10 after 2. Es ist 10 nach 2. 3:10 would be es ist 10 nach 3. 7:10 would be es ist 10 nach 7. 9:10 would be es ist 10 nach 9, etc. 9:20 would be es ist 20 nach 9. 2:20 would be es ist 20 nach 2. 6:20 would be es ist 20 nach 6. 8:40 would be es ist 20 vor 9. So it's still 20 minutes until 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. Es ist 20 vor 9. 9:40 would be es ist 20 vor 10. 10:40 would be es ist 20 vor 11. And so on. 11:50 would be es ist 10 vor 12. 10 minutes until 12. Es ist 10 vor 12. 2:50 would be es ist 10 vor 3. 5:50 would be es ist 10 vor 6. 5:55 would be es ist 5 vor 6. 2:55 es ist 5 vor 3. 6:55 es ist 5 vor 7. 7:05 would be 5 nach 7. 2:05 would be 5 nach 2. 6:05 would be 5 nach 6. 3:35 would be es ist 5 nach halb 4. Now that's a complicated one. It's 5 minutes after 3:30. Es ist 5 nach halb 4. 3:25 would be es ist 5 vor halb 4. It's 5 minutes before 3:30. Es ist 5 vor halb 4. If you want to be very exact about a certain time, you have to use the military time. If you want to be very exact about the time, let's say it's 2:13 p.m., you would say in German, es ist 14:13 Uhr. 6:44 p.m. would be, es ist 18:44 Uhr. 11:37 p.m. would be, es ist 23:37 Uhr. 1:03 would be, es ist 13:03 Uhr. 2:22 p.m. would be, es ist 14:22 Uhr. 8:11 a.m. would be, es ist 8:11 Uhr. 9:17 a.m. would be, es ist 9:17 Uhr. All right, now you know how to tell time in German. Make sure to do a lot of practice. There are exercises on my website, germanwithjenny.com. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Tschüss!